You're skinny. You've tried push-ups, and after 20 reps, your arms are shaking and you're done. Sound familiar? What if I told you that's not a weakness? That's actually your biggest advantage. Skinny guys can hit 90+ push-ups, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. Here's what nobody tells you. Most skinny guys quit push-ups not because they're weak, but because they're training wrong. You're doing too many reps too fast, you're not building a base, and you're burning out before your muscles even have time to grow. You're not broken. Your method is. Now let me blow your mind for a second. Skinny guys are actually built for high-rep push-ups. Less body weight means less resistance on every single rep. Your arms are pushing less than someone who weighs 30 pounds more than you. That's a natural advantage most skinny guys don't even realize they're sitting on. So here's the formula. First, build your base. 3 sets of max reps, rest 90 seconds between each, every other day. Second, use the ladder method. Do 1 push-up, rest 10 seconds, do 2, rest 10 seconds, keep climbing until failure, then come back down. Third, lock in your form. Hands shoulder width apart, core tight, chest touches the ground. Fourth, rotate variations weekly. Wide grip for chest, diamond for triceps, decline for upper chest. And fifth, track every single session, because progress you don't track doesn't exist. With this method, most people go from 20 reps to 50 in about 3 weeks, and from 50 to 90 in another 3 to 4 weeks, 6 to 7 weeks total. No gym, no equipment. Skinny doesn't mean weak. It means you're lighter, more mobile, and closer to 90 push-ups than you think. Start today, stay consistent, and when you hit that 90 rep mark, drop it in the comments, because that moment is worth celebrating. If this helped you, smash the like button and subscribe, because more no-excuse training content is coming every single week. Let's go.